Well folks, got something a little bit different this time. I pretty much bored to death on the last couple of videos. So I said I'd do a little construction video for a change. And this time, thinking about building a receiver, possibly a transceiver. I'm toying with the idea anyways. But first, what I'm planning on doing, I've got the power supply, or I should say the transformer started. Power supply started. I've got the neutral being switched by the switch up here, goes back and goes into the transformer, and I've got the hot side of the part of the AC line fuse with a 2 amp fuse right here. It goes back to the transformer. So I've got the SO239 on the back. I got the speaker mounted right here. I got a couple of controls in the front. Variable resistor, tuning capacitor, variable resistor there, switch obviously here. So anyway, first what I'm planning on doing is building the power supply circuit, the rectifier. Right now the two wires here coming off transformer gives me roughly about 10 volts, 10 to 11 volts, which is more than enough to drive a receiver and even a low power transmitter. So I'm planning on putting a couple different voltage outputs on this thing. Putting a 5 volt regulator in here as well as an 8 volt, possibly even a 12 volt, just in case when I put the capacitors they may drive it up. So I'll have 3 different power voltage outputs on the power supply. That's my plan. I may never do that, but that's my plan. So we're going to build the power supply. The rectifier, it is itself on a small circuit board. I'm going to mount it over here. It's going to be the rectifier and whatnot. It'll be on this side. And the receiver will more than likely probably be around here somewhere. I'm going to obviously have the audio amplifier and receive booster probably up here in this corner, as well as a switching between receive and transmit. I got a nice little switch for doing that. Electronic switch. I switch cables, coax. So works for Motorola. It'll work for me. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the idea. What's going on? I'm going to build a receiver, possibly a transceiver, but we'll see how it goes. I try to get the receiver working first, and there's a lovely 40 meter circuit online on YouTube, made by a VK, Australian. Can't remember his call sign now. YKE, I think it is. I can't remember. I'll put it in the description below, anyways. So you got a lovely 40 meter regenerative crystal resonator circuit, and I'm thinking about building a 40 meter transceiver in this, at least a receiver anyways, for sure. That's the idea. Whether it'll actually come to fruition, that's something else. But as you can tell, it's from an old power supply, an old SCC 1212. Power supply is cooked, but they make lovely little enclosures for projects such as this. But anyways, there'll be a small series going on about this little radio. I'm not sure how far I'll get with it, if I'll get anywhere, but it is started. So we got the speaker, transformer, two variable resistors, tuning cap, switch, SO239, fuse, and of course power inlet right here. So anyways, if you're interested in watching this and see how she's going to transpire over the next little while, stay tuned. Anyway guys, 7-3, all the best, and we'll chat later. Reno 63, out.